Hey y'all, welcome back. Yes, my voice is still squeaky, but in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, simple sign using the Chalk Couture chalk paste and a blackboard sign from Walmart. All right, let's get started. Yes, my voice is still a little croaky and squeaky, but I'm trying, so bear with me. If you follow me on Instagram or if you're in my Facebook group, then you know I recently signed up with Chalk Couture. You can make all sorts of awesome stuff with it. I made this sign. When in doubt, add glitter. You probably saw that on Instagram. If you have not watched my previous video already where I do an unboxing and I go more in depth explaining exactly what Chalk Couture is and a little bit more about their products, please check that out. Look in the description box. I'll also pin a comment. I'll link to the video up here. I'm also going to post a link to my Chalk Couture page where you can learn more about it, look at the products and all the transfers. You can sign up if you want to. You get a lot of perks if you do that, or you can just buy your supplies. So I made a promise to someone that if I made my first Chalk Couture video, I would use a brand new transfer that I've not used before. So this is my new transfer. You're going to need a transfer of your choice. You're also going to need something to put it on. And I got this little chalkboard sign at Walmart for like $1.97, something like that, over in the craft section where the paint and stuff like that is. So, transfer, sign. You're going to need some of the Chalkology paste. I'm going to use two different colors. This one is Couture Teal, and if I could turn it right, Peony, Couture Teal. Aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. You're going to need this little silicone, whatever this is, scraper doohickey. You don't want to use anything hard like a debit card or anything like that because you can damage your transfer. I had somebody ask me that. No, please don't use that. You're also going to need disinfectant wipes. Not only do you use this to clean your surface, you also use them to clean the back of your transfers so that they keep their stickiness. Don't use face wipes, don't use baby wipes because they have oils and stuff in them that will take away the sticky and will leave a residue on your surface. So what I did is I took one of these wipes and really cleaned this sucker and let it dry. So what we're going to do, as you can see, I'm opening this for the very first time. Ta-da! And each transfer comes in its own little envelope, and each one has a sheet of instructions. So I'm going to lay that off to the side. And as you can see with this one, it has lines here and line going down here. You just take your scissors and you cut them apart. So I'm going to try to be careful here. Try to cut a straight line. Even though the line is drawn out for me, sometimes I can't cut a straight line. So there is Today I Choose. And I think instead of joy, I'm going to choose the one that says chocolate. Because, I mean, chocolate brings joy, right? So I'm not going to choose joy over chocolate. The chocolate will bring the joy in itself. I got little fibers on it. It's okay. So for the chocolate part, I think I'm going to do that pink. And I think I'm going to use teal for the part that says Today I Choose. I'm going to put that right across there. So to take off your transfer, it's just like a sticker. Don't grab one corner and just pull it down like that because then you're going to stretch it and it's going to be all cattywampus. You don't want that. Just gently work it all the way across and try to pull it off evenly like that. Gently and evenly. Now because this is a brand new transfer, it's very, very sticky. So I'm going to touch it lightly onto my pants leg to kind of take away some of the stickiness. Just like that. And now I'm going to just lay it down just like this. This might not even be straight. I don't know where my ruler went. I had a ruler. Let's see, is that straight? Not really. I'm just going to pull it up a little bit more. Let's try it one more time. I do suggest using a ruler, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going to put that down. And now I'm going to put the chocolate one underneath it. Same way, just peel up a corner and just gently work it all the way across. Slowly peel it off. Now, once again, I'm just touching this to my pants leg, or you can use a cloth, what have you. And I'm just going to stick this down. How about right there? Does that look good? Does that look good to y'all? I don't know. Why do I do that? Y'all can't talk back. All right. Smooth it down with your hands. make sure it's really smoothed down, because if anything like this is lifted up and it's not really stuck down, then your chalk paste is going to ooze under it and it ain't going to look good. All right, all of that is smoothed down. And right now I'm going to grab another one of these. I'm almost out, y'all. I've been having a lot of fun playing with this stuff, and I've about used up all my wipes. I'm just going to lay it over here. Because I'm using 2 colors, I'm going to use that wipe to clean my squeegee doohickey with. So first off, I'm going to use the Couture Teal across the top. And this stuff has a consistency of like marshmallow fluff. If yours has any wet spots in it, or if it's separated at all when you open it, just stir it with a popsicle stick or something. Okay. Now I'm just going to smear a little bit of this on. I'm trying to get the bulk of it off my little squeegee thing so I don't get it on any other part of my sign. If you get this chalk paste anywhere that you don't want it to be, like your hands, your clothes, your kid, your table, it comes off really easily with water or with one of these wipes. So, if you make a boo-boo and you get it on something, just wipe it away. It comes right off. Now, when you're using these, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just smearing it across. I'm just smearing it over the transfer, making sure that I have every letter covered and covered evenly. They do sell smaller squeegees, narrow. That's perfect for things like this. I don't happen to have one. I gotta order one. A bunch of stuff I want to order off the website. But anyway, and when you're using 2 colors, you want to kind of work quickly, or if you're using 1 color, work quickly. I don't know. Kind of work quickly. This stuff does dry fairly fast, and you want to try to get your entire design done at least within 5 minutes. Okay? Excuse me. Now, when I'm doing this, I'm not going to show in this video how to clean the transfer, because I want that to be a separate video. Because I do value people's time, and I don't want to have to show at the end of every video how to clean the transfer. That takes up a lot of time. So, but to clean the transfer, once you peel it off, I have like a roasting pan that I got from Dollar Tree. And it's got about 1 inch of warm water in it. You put your transfer in that water, let it sit for about a minute. You don't want it to soak for a long time. I let it sit for about a minute. And then I just work off the excess chalk paste with my fingers. Once you have your transfer cleaned in the water, you take it out to shake off the excess water. Take one of your disinfectant wipes and wipe the sticky side. Really clean the sticky side, because you want to get off all of the chalk paste residue so that it will once again become sticky. But don't worry, like I said, I'm going to show that in a separate video so that people can reference back to it, and I won't have to show it at the end of every single one. All right. I've got that on there. I'm going to put the lid on. Always put the lid back on. This stuff does dry out. So, now we're going to start with this top one. I'm just going to peel it up, work my way across. Can y'all see this? Work my way across. And just gently peel it away. Kind of hold your sign down with your fingers. Gently, gently, gently. Like that. Now I'm just going to take this. I do have my pan of water over here. I'm not going to put it in there yet. I'm just going to lay it gently on the table so it'll be good and chalky for when I make the next video. Gently pull this up. Oh, for heaven's sake. There we go. Gently. There we go. Alright, now we're cooking with gas. Gently and slowly. There we go. Pretty, pretty simple. Now, if you got a bunch of different transfers, you could put little hearts here, like this one here. This was a separate transfer. The when in doubt, add glitter was a single one. The little stars came from another transfer. I just mixed them all together. And you could do that too. Just mix them all together however you like. Now, let this set off to the side for a few minutes to dry, and there is your sign. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, my next video, I'm going to show you how to clean the transfers. And then after that, I'll be back to another Dollar Tree craft. So, if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of those will be in the description box down below. I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.